Just check out all of my little pretties. I am excited to be announcing the launch of two brand new patterns. These look very similar, but they have two completely different features, which I'm going to go ahead and talk about in today's video. On the left right here, I have the KiKi Crossbody bag, and on my right is the CiCi Defender. Let me go ahead and tell you how both of these patterns were born. I wanted to go ahead and design a concealed carry bag for women so that way they can go ahead and protect themselves and also carry a purse that is very stylish and cute. So this is how the CiCi Defender was born. This was my initial prototype right here. I loved the CiCi Defender so much that I knew I had to go ahead and make another version without the concealed carry compartment, which I've done right here on the KiKi Crossbody. So the back of this bag does not have the concealed carry compartment, whereas the back of this one does. I'll go ahead and insert a video clip talking more about the concealed carry compartment on the back of the bag and how to use it, which I went ahead and filmed for the sewing tutorial video. So let me show you what I'm talking about. On the back side of this bag, we have a concealed carry compartment. It is an ambidextrous pocket. So we've got two zippers on both sides, and this goes straight through the bag, as you can see right there. Inside of that pocket, there is the option to go ahead and add some soft-sided loop Velcro if you're choosing to go ahead and carry a Velcro holster. If you're not going to be carrying any kind of holster, then you can go ahead and just leave that loop Velcro out. The Velcro can be inserted on the inside wall or the outside wall of the pocket. If you're planning on selling your CiCi Defender or giving it as a gift, it's a good idea to go ahead and put the Velcro on both sides of the pocket because you don't know if the person is going to be carrying it on their left shoulder, right shoulder, if they're left-handed or right-handed. The beauty of this bag in the concealed carry compartment is that you can actually go ahead and open up this pocket, slide your hand in, and when you're walking to your car, you can go ahead and have a little bit more of a peace of mind when you are walking because you are going to be able to access your personal protection items quickly and easily in the event that you need to do so. This bag is not only for people who CiCi. This bag is also great if you want to keep any of your personal items close to your body because you can go ahead and store your passport, your cell phone, your wallet, or any other items close to your body and not have to worry about getting pickpocketed. It is virtually impossible to tell that there's even zippers here on the side of the bag. So that is the beauty of this particular design right here. I've completely covered the zippers with the fabric. Okay, so if you don't CiCi and you're not planning on carrying your phone or your wallet in that back pocket, what else could we use this back pocket for? Well, this pocket is great for concealing anything from your kids, such as candy or any other items that you don't want them to know that you have or give them access to. I am now selling lockable zipper pulls, so you guys can go ahead and install these locking zipper pulls. They lock with a key, and you can keep those keys on your keychain, and that way no one has access to your concealed carry pocket. So that is a great benefit, and you guys can go ahead and purchase those zipper pulls on my website at sewyours.com. Now let me go ahead and share with you the differences between the CiCi and the KiKi. So here we have a size difference. It's not too big of a difference. The CiCi is a little bit bigger than the KiKi. Then looking on the sides right here, the zipper panel goes lower on the KiKi versus the CiCi, it is up higher. And then, like I mentioned before, on the back exterior of the bags, we've got the concealed carry compartment here, whereas this one does not have a concealed carry compartment. Let me go ahead and show you this version up close. I went with a solid vinyl and paired that with an embossed laced vinyl for this one. And I decided to go ahead and add the bag tag to the back of this one. This is the one that my daughter has been carrying, and this is the one that I wrote the pattern with. This is the one that we made in the sewing video tutorial, and I actually made a matching fold and go wallet, which is another pattern you can get on my website. Here is the fold and go wallet, and I'll show you the inside. And then I also made a harlequin pouch, which is a free pattern. This is not my pattern. Put a link in the description box below as well. And I also did a matching fold and go wallet and a harlequin pouch for this bag. So I really like this set, and it fits beautifully inside of the KiKi Crossbody. So that is something that you can go ahead and add if you'd like some matching accessories. I am offering both of these patterns as a bundle discount for the first week only. The bundle discount expires on August 7th, so make sure you go ahead and take advantage of the bundle if you'd like both patterns. Should you decide to purchase each one of those individually, I will not be offering any discounts or refunds at a later date, so go ahead and grab your bundle discount now. I'll put a link in the description box below for both of the sewing tutorials, so you guys can go ahead and watch those and learn how to make the KiKi Crossbody and the CiCi Defender. So now let's go ahead and talk about the hardware, interfacing, stabilizers, and fabrics that I recommend for your KiKi and your CiCi. Now, I recommend the same across all of these bags. I wrote both patterns with a couple of features that do require a non-fraying fabric, such as cork or vinyl, and that's going to be your handle and your handle overlay. However, in the sewing tutorial, I show you how to go ahead and do your handle overlay in cotton fabric, and then I also explain how to do the handle in cotton fabric as well. Now, for the slip pocket trim, you can go ahead and omit that and just go ahead and make up a quilting cotton slip pocket if you'd like. And then for the zipper pocket that's inside that has a zipper overlay, instead of doing a zipper overlay, you can go ahead and do a zipper facing method and use quilting cotton. Therefore, you can go ahead and make your CiCi Defender all in quilting cotton. Here, I've gone ahead and done that on the exterior of this bag. For my lining, I just went ahead and did the zipper overlay and the slip pocket trim and some vinyl right there. These bags are bound with binding, so you'll need to have some double fold bias tape, waterproof canvas, or fold over elastic. I do sell fold over elastic on my website. That is one of my best sellers, so you guys can go ahead and shop the numerous colors that we have available if you'd like some fold over elastic. You can go ahead and use a combination of quilting cotton and vinyl or cork for your exterior. So I've done that on most of my bags right here. For interfacings, you need to use a woven interfacing on all quilting cotton pieces. I do sell sew woven fusible interfacing on my website if you need to get some of that. And then as far as stabilizers, when I did my prototype, I went ahead and tried it out in fusible foam. However, I didn't really like sewing the fusible foam. I think I'm kind of over that phase. I really do like the Decaville Light now, so I do recommend Decaville Light for your bags. With the exception of the flap right here and the bottom stabilizer right here, I would go with a Decaville Heavy or use 2 layers of Decaville Light. It is important to have a nice stiff pocket flap right here because it is kind of standing up on its own. So make sure you go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and talk about the hardware that you're going to need. I am offering hardware kits for both of these patterns on my website, so you guys can go ahead and grab that. It's going to include a turn lock. If you do not want to use a turn lock and you want to use magnetic snaps instead, I went ahead and wrote in the pattern instructions the placements for 2 magnetic snaps on the pocket flap right here. You are going to need 2 D-rings, 2 snap hooks, 1 to 2 of the strap ends. You're going to need 8 to 10 rivets, a strap slider, and this is all for 1 inch wide strap. You're going to need 2 to 3 zipper pulls. So 2 zipper pulls if you're only doing 1 on the exterior, or 3 if you're going to go with 2 on the exterior. So there is my lining right there. For your lining, you can go ahead and use quilting cotton, waterproof canvas. That's completely up to you. I like to use quilting cotton on all of my linings. And then for me, I do waterproof canvas for my bindings. You will also need purse feet if you decide to go ahead and do purse feet. So I did add 5 purse feet to the majority of these bags right here. But if you don't want purse feet, you can go ahead and leave that off as well. If you have any questions, go ahead and let me know. You can go ahead and leave them in the comments box below or email me at contact@sewyours.com.